What's up guys, my name is Mike and today we're sadly doing something different. As you can see, I scratched my stanchion last week on the video how to ride stairs. Here's the clip. Yeah, and today we're going to fix it. I did some research and found out how to do it. And yeah, without further ado, let's start and talk to you how to do it. Well, what do you guys need? Well, first of all, accept the extension tube, this spray cleaner or contact cleaner. You also need metal polish, it's coming up later. Nail varnish would be a great idea, it's coming up later as well. You can use epoxy, but it's a bit harder to get. We also need some diamond or steel tip files like these ones. They are very, very small. And of course some paper. I took 1,500 and 2,000, maybe we get 3,000 or 4,000 later. So how you want to start is feel the nicks and just slightly take them out. Because what you want to do is to smoothen it out so it doesn't stick out. While we're on it, let's repair and beauty up the upper part, the crown. Once we did this, and I can already feel it's much smoother, we come with the first paper. Now I walked up to the 2,000 paper. Alright, so what's now important is that I don't feel any outside scratches. It actually feels kind of smooth, but there's definitely some resistance. Alright, now that everything is dried up, we're gonna apply nail varnish to the scratch and normal lacquer, matte black, like this one, onto the uppers, because I honestly don't care about them that much. And we could use normal nail varnish, it's quite smooth now, but yeah, let's try to hide our mistakes. And if I told you I let it dry freely, I meant it. It's 24 hours, I let it dry inside, now it's rock solid. For the next step, we're gonna once again paper it down. I actually don't really feel much, it's more like a bump. We'll smoothen that out. Up here, same thing, and just put some new lacquer on it so it actually fits. Take all the time to work, you don't want to mess it up, you don't want to destroy anything. Just take all the time. And after we manage that, let's get to the polish. And to top it all up crown. Now with that out of the way, we can safely say it's not going to look better, but it's working now, and therefore we'll let it rest. Anyway, thanks for watching, subscribing, and till next time.